Hi, what are you doing?
I know.
What are you doing?
I got here.
What are you eating?
You're having goldfish?
Yeah.
You eating goldfish?
Yeah.
Look at this kid. Get off the table.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
Yay! So, I ordered some. If you guys all know, I ordered some seats, or not seats, one seat for my RSX driver's side. So, here are these are the bolts that will mount. These are the bolts that will mount to the side of the seat. And all that packaging just for these little bolts. Here it is. Paid $10 for these plus shipping, about $20 off. I forgot what the site was. Let's see. Redline 360. That was where I got it from. So these are for the side mounts. These are bolts and nuts for the side mounts. And then over here in this box is my bracket. It's a PLM. You see. So side mount. So I put the camera down. And touch.
Ooh.
Move. Don't put your face in there. Eisen, don't do it. Oh. There's a washer that fell off. Alright, that's it. This is just the foam packaging that was stuck in there. But this is the side bracket. And these are the two side brackets. This is the slider rail. And then this must be the hardware. So yeah, I'm gonna try and see if it'll fit to my seat. First, I'm gonna take off the plastic and try to figure out, because there is no instruction with these. So, all right, see you guys in a bit. All right, tell them.
No.
What do you need? All right, so we figured it out. This is exactly how it's gonna sit in the car. So this is gonna be for the driver's side. This is if you're in the car, this would be the front. So then this would be where the door is. That would be by where the center console is, over there. And then these brackets will mount in these holes. Okay, well hurry up.
You need to go pee.
You need to go pee pee?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Go sit over there.
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, so this is how it's gonna go. I'm just following the pictures online for PLM. That's how they had it, like that. And that's gonna go over there. Same thing on this side, and this rail slider thing will go in between here. And then these are the nuts and bolts, or nuts. So yeah, so I'll put it all together and then I'll bring you guys back after I take this kid to the bathroom. Alright, so resuming again. These kids are a handful. So here it is. Got it all figured out now, I think. So it's loosely bolted on there because I got to put the seat on and see how it fits. But for now it's there. Like I said earlier, I had it this way and it was wrong. So this is the right way now. There's no instructions, so I just follow the diagram, and when I looked at the diagram again, this was the way they had it on there. And I was trying to figure out earlier to see where this slider bracket thingy was gonna go, and I was kind of dumb. I thought it went in here, but if you look in there, there's nothing in there, just hollow. So there's no way you'd be able to slide the seat. So I was stuck for quite some time, roughly about 10-20 minutes, and I finally figured it out. Pretty sure it goes in here, so this will slide in there like that once I have it done. Same thing on this side. So now it's all straightened out. Now we got ourselves in the right path. I'm gonna go grab my seat and try to put the seat on there and see how it looks. Alright, so it was pretty hard to film, but I got it on there. This is how it looks. I think I like it like this. So this is my setting right here. I went up the third hole in the front, and then I went up third in the back, so that way I'm not slouching down. A more upright position. So that's it. pretty good. So took some time, but they managed to figure it out. So the hard part now is putting it in the car and see how it looks. But overall, not too bad. I think I like it now. The way it is, looks pretty good. So that's it. I mean, once you figure it out, it's pretty straightforward. But yeah. So again, the rails are from PLM, and I also got the nuts and bolts to mount it on the seat from 360 Racing or Redline Racing or whatever. But yeah, that's it for now. I gotta wait for my harness bar to come in, then I'll put that in, and then I'll put the seat and everything all in at once. I just wanted to test out the rails and see how the rail sits, or see how it works. I'm not gonna put in the slider thing yet until it's fully in the car. Then I'll try it, but for now that's how it sits. So that's pretty good. So that's it for now. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Good, Titi. Go racing.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy.
Okay, ready, set, go. Drive. Shift. Shift. He's driving. There he goes. He's going, right? What is your name?
Ryan.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.